Hey everyone, I'm going to keep this video simple. Your name, address, and phone number are wrong everywhere across the web, and it's hurting your local SEO. So today I'm going to show you in just a quick couple seconds how to fix that so that everywhere that lists the name, address, and phone number of your business is consistent, and that's going to help your local SEO. It only takes a couple minutes to complete. It's super cheap to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, why does this matter? First and foremost, well, Google looks at websites across the internet and tries to validate your business, right? They try to understand if you are the business you say you are, how valid, how much authority does your business have? When your address, name, and phone number are different in all these different places across the internet, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, Google gets confused. They're saying, is this actually this business? Why do they have different phone numbers, different names? And it doesn't just, it means variations of your name, variations of your phone number. When it's not consistent across the board, Google gets confused, and somebody who does have their name, address, and phone number listed consistently across the web is a business that gets more basically points in local SEO. So if you're looking to grow your sales for your local business, one of the best things you can do is sit down and fill this out and make sure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across the board. And it's going to help boost your local SEO because Google is going to understand exactly who you are. So let me just share my screen real quick, show you exactly what I mean. So the company that I like to use for this is Bright Local. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just one that I've seen is really helpful. So that's why I want to share it with you all. Basically, you can go to this link and I'll put it below the video and you can just try for free and you can view the same sample report I'm going to show you. But what it does is you plug in your business name and it's going to give you a report that looks just like this. And in this video, it's going to show you on Google, on Facebook, Bing, Yahoo Local, Yelp, Foursquare, all these different business directory websites that Google uses to understand a business and they influence local rankings. It's going to show you what your name of your business, your address, and your phone number are on all of those websites. So if I go down through here, you can see this law firm, their address is inconsistent. So it'll highlight in red all the different ones. So now Google's getting a little confused. Is what's your actual address of your business, right? Then you can see their name is written out differently in all these different sections. And you can see that on some of these different sites, some of them they're consistent, but some they have all different business names. Again, that's not going to help. You want to have your name consistent. And then worst of all, even for consumers who are trying to contact you, is the phone number is wrong, or it's a different phone number on some of these sites. So some of them have been fixed, which is great. And mostly they're consistent. You'll have to see how your business is. But the name, address, and phone number being consistent and fixed is going to boost your SEO in your local market. So it's definitely something you want to take care of and make sure it doesn't go out of date. So check out this free tool. And then you can look here. So if I go click on these citation tabs, it'll actually open up, right? The GBP, Google Business Profile there. I can look at on, let's just say, the Yahoo Local listing. So I just click that link. It's going to show you your business listing, and then you can see for yourself what your name, address, and phone number are there. Now, great news is there's a very simple tool here. Once you've received this report, you're obviously going to want to fix those. It only takes a few minutes to fix them across all of those different directories. So if you're thinking, how could I actually go in and make all those updates myself? You're right, it'd take forever. This company does it for you and they do it really cheap. Again, that's why I'm sharing it. It's not sponsored posts, nothing like that. It's just one that has worked really well for me. And I'm interested in helping local businesses like you improve their performance. So if you go in here, listings management, local citations, let's just see their current pricing. And again, the pricing might be subject to change, but basically you can just submit and pay them to fix your listing. So you can see here, $2 per site, right? But with a bulk discount, $3 without a bulk discount. So that's how it is. So you can go through, you could do it manually, or they'll use their aggregator system, and you basically pay $2 a listing, which is nothing. And it takes you 5 minutes to kind of fill this out and have a profile. You pay a one-time fee. Don't even think it's recurring. I think you can do a recurring option if you want, and they'll go through and they'll fix all these listings. So if you want to improve your local SEO, you want to take 5 minutes to go to it. I'm going to put this link below. Go to Bright Local, check out your name, address, and phone number for your local business. You'll probably see that it's inconsistent if you've never done this before. Pay them, $20, $50, whatever it is, for however many listings matter to you. They'll go through and they'll fix your listing. Your name, address, and phone number will be consistent across all the local business directories. And that's going to help you boost your local SEO in about 5 minutes of work. So hope this video helps. Good luck, and good luck growing your business.